Yo, this is Matt V 2099. I'm back with another epic Glock 17 video, and I'm going to take a moment here to take a close look at my Glock and answer a few questions. Yes, this is the same Glock I use in all my videos, even though I joke with people that I throw my Glock away and get a new one. I've been using this Glock for almost a year and a half and made probably 50 videos with it. I honestly don't know. You can go check out my channel and count them all if you want. I can't be bothered. But this Glock is 100% stock. All the original parts are still in it. I have replacement parts ready, you know, in case something breaks, because I've been expecting things to start breaking, but they haven't. So pretty much this gun functions flawlessly. The only things wrong with it are cosmetic. The slide's been beat up and the finish looks pretty bad. And the frame, there's like little nicks and bumps. The front sight there's a little bunged up. There's a big old cut there. The finish is totally hosed all over this thing, but I mean, other than that, this thing still functions flawlessly. So I mean, I'm not trying to sell people on Glocks. I mean, I happen to like Glocks, but I don't care what anybody else buys. And you know, people think I'm trying to be a Glock fanboy. I'm not. I have a lot of Glocks because they're cheap and because I can't be bothered to waste my time learning about any other guns, to be honest. I don't care enough. I have Glocks, they work, which means I don't have to spend any time thinking about anything else. I can just have my Glocks and be happy. There are other firearms I might, you know, prefer or trade for, or you know, if I had enough money, maybe I'd have a full fleet of SIG pistols instead. But that was out of my price range. You know, I can afford to have a whole bunch of Glocks. You know, M&Ps are fine. And probably the only reason I prefer Glock over the M&Ps are the Glockazines, like 33 round Glockazines and stuff. Perhaps they have those things for the M&Ps, but I've never seen them. They aren't as common if they do exist. So that being said, let's get on here. So another YouTuber named FPS Murdoch sent me this Dr. Wacko silly sludge. He sent me quite a bit, and I'm going to make a few videos. I did a RHMB versus this stuff, so now I'm going to do a Glock test, and I'm probably going to pack the receiver of an AK full of this stuff. So I don't know, this is kind of weird. It's an extremely weird substance, so let's see what happens when you put it inside a Glock. See the stuff? Oh, it sticks together, but it also holds its shape. Oh, see, it rips off. I see. You can rip off little pieces and jam it right there in the striker channel. Oh yeah. Right up there. Got my Leatherman mutt here. Shout out to Leatherman. When I broke this thing, I sent it back and they sent me a new one. That's pretty awesome. This is my second one. I bought one like 2 years ago, and I bought it because it was I got an incredibly good deal on it, and it's been awesome until I broke it, and I just sent it back to their warranty address, and bam, got a new one. And the part that broke on it is probably the weakest part on it. The firearm disassembly punch broke. I've disassembled a lot of firearms with this thing. Probably more than anybody. God damn. I really don't want any inside the clip zane. It'll cause the gun to explode. Let's just load this slide up. Okay, so we have this thing jam-packed full of freaking silly sludge. Time to get our safety gear on in case this thing explodes. Got a shamag and my mechanics gloves, that should be good. Okay, we're loaded. I'm gonna get into firing position. I'm aiming at a particular stump down there. That camera's good. This one's kind of not so good. Okay, I'm gonna cover my face. In case this thing explodes, I don't get any shrapnel to the face. You know, I don't want to have to say I used to be an operator until I took an exploded G17 to the face. So let's do this. Okay, firearm functioned. Let's do a couple more shots and then a mag dump. That was good. Let's do some more. That's the Silly Sludge Glock. Thanks for watching.
Yo, this is Matt B2099. Please feel free to leave a comment telling me what Glock video you would like to see next. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. If you want to help me grow, hit that like button. And thank you for watching.